By the end of this video, you will know how to add a customer tax ID in Stripe. Start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account credentials. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the main navigation area and go to Customers. This section contains the customer records connected to your Stripe account, so this is where you will make the update. In the Customers area, find and select the customer you want to update. Open that customer profile so you can view their details. Make sure you are choosing the correct customer before continuing, especially if your account has several records with similar names or company details. After the customer page opens, look for the option to edit or update the customer settings. Open that section to access the fields you can change. Stripe may display this as an edit button or an update customer option depending on the layout you see, but the goal is the same. You want to enter the customer settings where tax details can be added or changed. Inside the customer settings, scroll down until you reach tax information. If that section is collapsed, expand it so the available tax fields become visible. This area is where Stripe stores the tax identification details attached to that customer record. Under Tax ID, open the ID type drop-down menu. From that list, select the tax ID type that matches the customer information you need to enter. It is important to choose the correct type here because Stripe uses that label to store the ID in the right format for the customer profile. Once the type is selected, move to the field beside it and enter the customer's tax ID. Read the value carefully as you enter it so the number or code matches the customer's documentation exactly. If your workflow includes more than one tax identifier for the same customer, look for the Add Another ID option and click it. This will create another set of tax ID fields so you can choose an additional ID type and enter the second value in the same customer record. After all required tax ID details are in place, review the section one more time, confirm that the selected ID type matches the tax number entered next to it, and check any additional IDs if you added more than one. When everything looks correct, click Update Customer to save the changes. Stripe will apply the update to that customer profile, and once the page refreshes or returns to the customer record, the tax information should now appear as part of the saved customer details. The customer's tax ID has now been added and saved in Stripe.